This blueberry mug cake recipe is so easy, healthy, and delicious. The blueberries give it such a wonderful blueberry sweetness, and the vanilla cake is really fluffy and moist. I really regret not including more blueberries in my blueberry mug cake that I just made for you, but feel free to go crazy, add as many as you want. You also could add some strawberries, that goes really nicely as well. You won't believe how easy it is to make this with just a few healthy ingredients thrown in a mug, microwave for about a minute or so. You might want to do a toothpick test after that and see if it comes out clean, and if it doesn't, give it another 15 seconds or so until it does. This blueberry mug cake recipe is whole food plant-based, vegan gluten-free, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, keto, low carb, and low calorie. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Please subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes, and I will see you on the next one.